Welcome back. I'm Julian at Just Inspired, and I'm happy you decided to join me. Right, third time's the charm. It's the third time I've actually tried to sit down and have a look at this, and just keep getting interrupted all the time. So this is a module from a vehicle, and it's, I think, controls the window, the up and down of the window, and it is intermittent, and if you tap it, it works. So I am thinking that it's probably the relay. So I have got some relays that I ordered, but it came a little bit smashed up. It's not looking very good, but at least I ordered 6 of them, so I'm hoping that the ones over this side are okay, but these are all mashed flat. So I guess we'll see. Not very well packaged. It has stapled itself to the bag. The legs have been bent over. I just cut the end of my glove off. Oh man. Excellent. That was I meant to do that, just some ventilation. Oh wow, this one got severely hit. What the hell did they do to it? Well, it was a padded envelope, but looks like somebody drove over it with the wheel of their chair or something. There's a lot of bent legs. Oh, that one's not too bad. Yeah, that one's pretty flattened as well. Why did they pack them like that? Fantastic. Well, that was a success, wasn't it? So I guess I'm going to have to choose the least crushed one, which I think is that. Let's get the microscope. Well, this is the right one. I thought it was supposed to be white, but it's not. It's some sort of cream coloured thing. Right, let's make sure that works. Let's find the data sheet for it and see where the voltage goes in. Right, found it. It is an 8-terminal type, and according to this schematic here, we've got a coil and a coil pin. So that bottom one and that top one up there. Okay, let me get my power supply set up for 12 volts. I don't hear a click. Got normally open up here, normally closed here. Okay, it's 2 coils. So I was going from the top to the bottom. I thought it was just 1 coil. Never mind. Let's try that again. So 1 coil is between here and here. Oh no, I heard it click. That's better. Right, okay, got it. I got it. Alright, let's take this one off. Let's try the other coil just to try. Yep. That sounds healthy enough. Okay, we'll go with that one. Right, we have some conformal coating on the boards. So, what do? Scrape it out. Use a touch of acetone. Right, I have a very tiny amount of acetone. Just drop it on these here. Right, I'll leave that to sit for a little bit. What shall we use? Low melt solder. My favourite. Couple of those. Probably don't even need two, just one will do. A bunch of flux. Is my flux running out? Could be. Switch back to the microscope. Turn on the fume extractor. There's a lot of glue holding that, or conformal coating. Right, let's clean that up. Should give it some more acetone. Right, let's clear out those holes. Gonna add some more flux to that. And fume extractor on. That looks nice and clean. Well, not clean, but unblocked. Let's turn that off. towel, or as the UK call it, kitchen roll. Kitchen roll, not paper towel. Well, I grew up in the Caribbean with British parents, and we had a lot of American television, American culture. So I do get a bit mixed up sometimes with British words, because I spent half my life in the Caribbean, half my life when I came back here, I was still saying the wrong words. You know, I say things like sidewalk instead of pavement, and sneakers instead of trainers. Yeah, it's I'm a bit of a hybrid weird one, which is why I have a weird accent. Right, back under the microscope. Clean up that flux. That looks great. Right, I just want to go over these pins here from the socket, just to make sure we've got no cold solder joints. That one is looking a bit iffy. Yeah, I think I'm going to go over those as well. Right, let's take that conformal coating off there as well. I'm not sure how Blu Tack handles acetone, but I'm just trying to keep it away from the plastic bits. Yeah, that middle one definitely looks a bit dodgy. That could actually be the problem, but I'd rather just swap out the relay just in case. They weren't expensive. I'll open my door because it's don't want the fumes, because acetone is stinky. Well, I guess we're about to find out what happens to Blu Tack when it's in contact with acetone. Yeah, I can feel the conformal coating getting soft. It's gooey. Nasty stuff. Well, the Blu Tack seems to be holding up. It's funny, I never heard of Blu Tack until I got to England again in 2003, and yeah, I've been using it for everything ever since. It's as ubiquitous as cable ties. Now, there was a really fantastic invention. Cable ties. Right, I think that's enough acetone. Yeah, that worked pretty well actually. Sometimes the brain is braining properly. Right, let's clean this crap off. This blue crap. Make sure we don't have any acetone anywhere. Awesome. I swear I've tried all the sponges and lint free this and that and the other, and these cheap wipes are the best. Absolute best. I have not found anything better, to be honest. They are that size. And they come in a bag. And it's called 100% lint-free cotton fabric pad. And these are super absorbent. And they just work so well for this. I know you guys like your nano sponges and all the rest of it, but this stuff is like, I don't know. I can't leave it. It's too good. Right. Let's solder those bits, and I think it's time for some dinner. Right, that's all cleaned up. Let me just go back to the microscope. Looks pretty good. Get these bits soldered, and then it's dinner time, I think. It is 8:30 in the night, so yeah, it's time for dinner. It's way past dinner time. Right, I'm gonna have to make some more noise again, sorry. I think these are like tiny little microfiber cloths, that's why I like them, because they really get in there and pick up everything. Those look 100% better. Yeah, that's better. All ready for the new conformal coating tomorrow when it arrives. So there's the relay. I got a little bit of crap on that one there. Very nice. And there's the relay. Nice. I'm very happy with that. Cool. I think it's dinner time now. Stop.
The next day.
It's another day and I've got the acrylic conformal coating. This one from MG Chemicals. Highly flammable liquid and vapor causes serious eye irritation, may cause drowsiness or dizziness. Right, how do we use this then? Oh, it actually comes with a couple of brushes. 2 small brushes, so I don't have to use my nice brush. Those are pretty naff. Right. Read full safety information on inside of package. Okay. It's just about what happens if you put it on your skin or you're breathing it in and stuff. Nothing about how to use it. I guess you just paint it on and that's it. You need instructions for that. This product can be applied by brush for rework or touch-ups. Thinning is not required for most brush applications. Desired coating thickness can be achieved in a single application. Applied coating can be cured immediately. Curing instructions. Allowed to dry at room temperature for 24 hours or after letting sit for 10 minutes, cure the coating in an oven at one of these time/temperature options. Yeah, I think I'll let it dry for 24 hours. Right, I want to get it under that relay. And on this side we need to do this row of pins. And a relay. Yeah, I thought that the bottle was kind of small, but to be honest, I've hardly used any of it and it's covered it all. So that should last me a long time if I can find a good way to store it. Oh, it fluoresces under UV light, so you can see where you've missed. Oh. UVA light. Is this UVA? Ooh, look. Oh. I got a little drip there. Wow. Okay. Okay. That's pretty cool. It's very stinky. You have to keep your windows open with your doors. That's awesome. I need to see that again. Wow. Crazy. Yeah, okay, I recommend that then. I shall put a link in the description for you. Try and level that a bit. Yeah, that's better. Well, another job done. I shall see how it dried in the morning. But for now, I thank you for joining me. I won't ask you to like and subscribe and all that crap. But thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. Until the next time, see ya.